Hey, I'm Matty Dulay.
I'm Evelyn.
I'm Anzolim, and we are from Life Academy International.
And we are Ecofil.
What motivated us was to give glory to God and the 50K in addition to that.
As a group, we started preparing for this pitch by having practices and having our coaches as well. To be frank, we didn't take too long. It was actually like a few days ago, but the quality is there. Yeah.
Light machinery, prototypes, and food containers. These are all made through the use of 3D printing. But there is a problem. Most of the materials used are not eco-friendly. They are not sustainable. So I present to you R3. What R3 aims to solve is that we convert recycled plastic bottles to filament for 3D printing. And also, we emphasize the versatility of plastic filament for various applications. What makes our product unique is that instead of just doing the regular reduce, reuse, and recycle, we are more of like generating or making new life out of plastic bottles.
Our business concept is something that cater to both the top market and then also cater to like the lower part, like the mga kalakal, the junk shops, and help them too.